Hello, my dear learners. Welcome to our School at Home class in TL6 Elementary Agriculture. We are now on the first quarter, week 2, module 6 of our set of lessons. And I hope everybody will enjoy the learning today with the proper way of planting and propagating trees and fruit-bearing trees. After watching through this video, you are expected to identify the methods of planting trees and fruit-bearing trees, and apply the proper way of planting, propagating trees, and fruit-bearing trees, like budding, marketing, and grafting. Before we start our new lesson, let us have a short quiz.